Almost every gardener would want to imbibe a natural way of growing, and enhancing the soil naturally is one way to improve soil fertility. Wood is one natural product you can get access to. You can take advantage of it and enjoy the benefit of enhancing your soil naturally. Tilling wood chips into soil. The woods used as wood chips are small pieces of wood that usually come from trees, which is a renewable source. Wood residue chips come in different forms, ranging from sawing residue chips, short rotation forestry, forest chip, and so on. Benefits of using or tilling wood chips into soil. When you till wood chips into the soil, it can help the organic content of the soil. The organic content or matter will now be worked on by beneficial insects and earthworms to aid in maintaining a healthy plant. It can supply some nutrients to the soil during the breakdown process. Tilling wood chips into the soil can help maintain cooler soil during hot weather periods. Soil erosion with pests and diseases can be reduced with the help of wood chips. Tilling wood chips into soil can help conserve water so you won't have to do too much irrigation. The presence of the rooting hormone in the wood chip can release bound phosphorus, and this can assist in reducing plant stress and enhance defense and immunity. Drawbacks of using wood chips to develop soil. Even though wood chips can offer your soil some good benefits, you should also be aware of some downsides to using them. 1. Nitrogen depletion. Once wood break down into the soil, nitrogen is assimilated from the surrounding soil during the decomposition process. During this decomposition process, nitrogen tends to bind to the wood. Hence, nitrogen becomes temporarily locked up in the wood. But take note that this nitrogen depletion is a short-term issue, and it usually occurs only when fresh wood chips are used. For this reason, it is advised to only use fresh wood chips as surface mulch. Doing this will ensure that nitrogen depletion only occurs at the surface soil level. 2. The type of wood chip. When you use hardwood, it can take a long process to decompose and can take a while to add any benefit to your soil. On the other hand, when you use softwood, it tends to decompose faster, thereby releasing the required nutrient into the soil faster. A wood chip that has a mixture of hard and softwood trees, you can get an ideal mixture that acts as a long-term slow release of nutrients to improve the soil. A softwood will break down first, then the hardwood will take some time. Then you can get a slow and constant release of nutrients into the soil. 3. Toxins may be found on some wood chips. Toxins may be present in some wood chips that are a result of man-made chemicals. For this reason, it is crucial that you know where the wood chip comes from and what type of wood was used to make the wood chips. Wood gotten from pallet construction or any kind of shipping package needs to be treated with caution. This is because so many of these woods are treated with chemicals that may be toxic to the soil. Woods that are used for decking should be avoided because they are usually treated with preservatives. Tilling wood chips into the soil can prove helpful. However, you should know the right type of wood to till into your soil so your soil can benefit from it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.